Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So we have a new subscription box to open today, which is always very exciting. So the box we have today is WITPYUM. I had to double check that I'm saying that right, WITPYUM. So this is, I believe, a brand new subscription box in general. So I'm gonna pull up some information so we can go over it because it is new to me and likely new to you as well since it's a new subscription. So let's learn about this box, WITPYUM, and then get unboxing and see what's inside. I'm so excited. All right, so I have an email from the owner, Samantha, and she said, "Hi, my name is Samantha. I just launched a gift box company with a quarterly subscription box component." So this is a quarterly box, and this is a fall box. I love like bi-monthly and seasonal subscriptions because sometimes when you get the monthly ones, they just like pile on. And quarterly boxes just seem to be a little bit better just because you pay a little bit more usually and you get more stuff, but anyways, it says the name of the company is WITPYUM, and that stands for What is to Prevent You, Us, Me. And our mission is to inspire positive change through the promotion of self-fulfillment, authentic connections, and acts of compassion. Our subscription box is called the Magic of the Season box and is themed for each of the 4 seasons with a collection of lifestyle goods. We are brand new and the subscription box is our first go out. So they just did a soft launch of the company a few days before they emailed me earlier this month. So I'm super excited. So let's pull up their website and see like pricing and stuff like that. So we know like what it's about. I think the message sounds amazing. All right, so I have their website pulled up. It says, "Let the magic of the season box be a catalyst for your mission of spreading everyday magic through the act of caring for others and caring for yourself. With the community of like-minded people practicing compassion, generosity, and self-love, anything is possible. Each quarter, we will curate a thoughtful combination of lifestyle goods with a theme highlighting the best of each season," which we heard before. So each product in our subscription box is selected to fit within one of the 5 focus areas of the WITPYUM mission: you, youth, us, unity, and me. And it looks like they have several subscription options. There's the Just For You box, which is $23.99 plus shipping. The Just Me box is $29.99, and then the Yum box is $49.99. So prices range from $23.99 to $49.99, so you get some options. So I'm gonna link their website down below so you can explore that more if you want to, especially after watching me unbox it. But let's get started and see what is inside my box. I'm so excited to see. Oh, how cute. When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. Definitely has the fall feels. It even has some leaves in here. So cute. These are like the only like red leaves I'll see here in Florida. The color change doesn't really happen. It's like the one thing I like kind of miss is like, you know, fall, but that doesn't last too long in Chicago. But so then there's a sticker on here and everything's wrapped up in tissue paper. So let's get it open. Oh, and there's a card on top. Good. I love when boxes come with a card describing what's inside and all that. So here is the front of it. And then here's the back. So what does it say on here? So it lists out what comes inside. Awesome. And then it says Unity Challenge Gift to Sunshine Box. October 4th is World Smile Day. It is a day in the promotion of goodwill, generosity, and acts of kindness. Thanks to the good folks at World Smile Day, you are now an official ambassador. What should an ambassador do? Simply spread the message and make someone smile. In the spirit of World Smile Day, we would like to challenge you to create a sunshine box, gift it to a loved one, a stranger, or anyone who could use a smile. For inspiration to see our sunshine box, visit witpyum.com. Again, I'll link that down below. To get you started, we have included your ambassador sticker and a few pass-along seed paper, smiley faces, sunshine greeting card, and don't forget to reuse this box and tissue paper. I think that's a sweet idea. I wonder if they give a challenge every season. Cool. And then there's also something on here that says we encourage you to use the leaves, postcard, and twine in your fall decor. So I love that they encourage you to reuse the packaging and stuff like that. That is so important and not let it go to waste. I'm all about that and being eco-friendly and all that. So here's the twine, like holding everything together. So you could definitely reuse that for something, especially with the holidays coming along. Oh, there's more leaves in here. And then this is everything inside. I'm trying to not drop it, but there's a peek. So the first thing I see, I just grabbed out of here. What is this? Color Leaves Premium Wristlet. Let me get this open. Okay, and here it tells you like what type of item this is. So this says it's a youth item. So this is cute. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. I like the pattern. And you can put your key on there or whatever you want. This is 100% made in the USA, designed, printed, and assembled in the USA. It could be a keyring plus badge hook, helps you carry whatever you need. Soft, silky fabric, feels great even against bare skin. It does feel great. So awesome. So again, here, if you could see up close all the colors. All right, and then moving on, it looks like there's like a card here. Maybe this is what they were talking about, is to like use the, okay, so this is everything for that Give a Sunshine box. Oh, just dropped the envelope. I think I dropped something in every video. It says, hello sunshine, someone wants to make you smile. That's cute. So they give you everything you need. Oh, here are 2 little smiley faces you can send to someone, and some stickers. So World Smile Day Ambassador, October 4th. I have to remember that, I will. I love like little holidays like that. Next up, ooh, Happy Girl granola. Oh my gosh, maple walnut chocolate granola. That sounds amazing. This is handmade in Owosso, Michigan. Oh my god, maple walnut chocolate granola. That sounds so good. And then it has all the ingredients and all that on the back if you wanted to pause and look at that or anything. This sounds right up my alley. I cannot wait to eat this. Yeah, I love that it was handmade in Michigan. I love Michigan. Okay, there's so many leaves in here. This is so cute. Next up, says, Why I'm Grateful for You and Me by Knock Knock. Oh, this is like a little book. I'm all about trying to practice gratitude. I was really bad at it the other day. I was like having a negative day. I was like, why? I've been so good at being positive. And then like TMI, right before this video, I got my period. I'm like, oh. You would think at 30 years old I would know that, you know, when that's coming around. But anyways, stop talking about my TMI stuff. So why I'm grateful for you and me, you fill in the love. So it says about this book, simply fill in the blanks and voila, you have a uniquely expressive gift for someone you value and cherish. You can make it heartfelt and sincere, like I'm grateful we're such kindred spirits, or witty or irreverent. If you decide to clean the bathroom, I'd really be grateful. So that's so cute. So let's just like open a page. So I just opened to a random page there. It says, I'm eternally grateful every time you, and then you fill it in. I'm grateful to call you. I hope you know how grateful everyone is for your. I'm thankful that you're always up for. Oh, that's so sweet. So it says, wash and dry hands. Think of a person you're grateful for. Fill in the blanks. Remove the plastic sleeve and give it to the person you're grateful for, and offer tissues. Yeah, that's so sweet. I think that's such a great idea, and definitely a unique, cute gift. Ooh, looks like we got some soap. Sunflower scratch made soap. It says Halanthus anus, I'm sure it's not A-N-N-U-U-S. A widely branched hairy annual with showy yellow ray flowers grown for its edible oil and nutritious seeds. This is made with purifying clay, cherry sunflowers, uplifting aroma, and lime essential oil blend. Does smell good. The Haynes family has been carefully perfecting their original recipes featuring wild botanicals since 1995. That's experience you can trust, quality you can count on, so go ahead. Take a wash on the wild side. We use daily on the face and the body. I love nice soaps. You guys know that. That's what the top looks like. It smells really good. Awesome. Oh my god, there's like little candies in here. I love like little caramels. These remind me of fall too, candies like this. So these are mouth part caramels, and they have it in several flavors. Looks like one's chocolate covered. Ooh, these look so good. There might be another one or two in there. I love these. Definitely like a fall treat, in my opinion. Yay, I love candles. This is the Linden Candle Company Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow. This is just like a little baby 2-ounce candle. Oh my god, that smell. Oh my god, it smells just as good as it sounds. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. I want to eat it. Oh my god, I'm totally gonna like this after this. This will probably be gone by tomorrow. And it's a wood wick. I love those. Oh man, you guys. This is like the most I ever wanted smell-o-vision to work. It smells so good. Is there another one in there? There's another candle. Oh my god. This one, same company, Linden Candle Company, and it's apple cider donut. This smells so good. So fall. This is like a perfect fall box. It sense. This reminds me of fall so much. It's like a caramel apple. You know those apples that are covered with that? That's kind of what it smells like to me. But I would totally eat a donut that smelled like this too. Oh my gosh, these are so good. I mean, oh, I love them so much. That is awesome. Yeah, here's one more caramel. And what's this? Oh, cool. Bee Bella handcrafted lip balm. This is really cool like, packaging. It looks like wooden and stuff. Oh my gosh, and it's in pumpkin spice. I've totally become like that, like basic bee that loves pumpkin spice stuff. It's happened. So this is made, or they give funds to honeybee research. Awesome, certified cruelty-free, made of fair trade certified ingredients. You can mail back the tube for rewards. Oh my god, I love how all these companies they're featuring are like very eco-conscious, you know? Awesome. You would think having like longer nails would help with things, but like it makes things harder, I swear. And I'm scared I'm gonna break them. Oh, this smells good. I love this packaging. I have some liquid lipstick on right now. Well, I hope so. I just had a little treat right before filming. I filmed a box right before this one. There was something in it, and in between videos I had to take a bite. I think it's still on. Awesome. I love the smell of fall. Even though I don't experience the weather, I love the smells and the taste. Ooh, and there's one more thing. What's this? This is Happy Vic. Let's see. Reusable cotton produce bags. I don't have any of these, and I'm going to Publix today. Yay! Oh my god, so you could put your produce in here so you don't have to use those plastic bags at the grocery store. I'm seriously going to Publix after I'm filming today. Perfect timing. Oh my god, they have 3 different sizes. I'm gonna use these today. This is amazing. These are, seriously, I love this box. This is so good. This is their very first box ever, you guys. I think they did a good job. So we have 3 reusable produce bags, which I desperately need, which I think all of us should consider using in our daily lives, shopping and all that. Unless you shop online only, which I know a lot of people do these days. 2 candles that smell amazing and totally are fall. Like, I love that they actually did fall stuff because there's been some seasonal boxes this year for fun that did not include much fall stuff. This smells so good. Oh my god. They're not even open, but I'm just like... the pumpkin spice lip balm, and you can send back the container. I think that's a great way to recycle things. Oh my god. These caramel candies. Yum. There's this soap that smells so good. Oh man, and this granola sounds amazing too. Maple walnut chocolate. I love stuff like this. Totally will be eaten like super soon. The Why I'm Grateful book. We have the fall wristlet, like the one with the leaves on it, super cute. And then we have the Give a Sunshine box kit. So everything to do that, and we can reuse this box. They're giving us ways to repurpose the packaging, which I've never seen another box do, I don't think. So that's amazing. So I think they did so good for their first box. What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts down below. Of course, I'm gonna link them down below. Check out their website. I think this is great. I love their message. I love the products they chose. Seriously, everything is just so cute. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!